Please make some noise for Nyeleti the Star.
My name is Nyeleti the Star. I'm the chocolate queen, chocolate oozing.
I ain't worse than a millie. I haven't slept in a minute. I've been here working so hard, investing my time. I swear I'm committed. I ain't impressed with them really, cause they're too obsessed with the pretty. Please don't compare me to bitches. I'm working while they selling sex in the city. I seen a lot of you hit up my line. Nyeleti, let's work on me, really. You couldn't text me in 2018. Now all of a sudden you know me. Now that I'm shining, you call me. Tell me you're sorry, that's phony. Y'all take forgiveness for granted, that's why I don't need your apologies, homie. I'm trying to stay on my lane, trying to get me in the States. I'm such a lady, I pull up looking so clean. Still they put dirt on my name, it's cool, it's okay. I can see right through the haze. I've had some nights and some days where they chose to hate. I thought you're thinking it's straight, my pinky's the size of your brain. That's why you so lame, that's why you always get played. Cause you make the simple mistake of ignoring Nyeleti. I am the core of the flame, I shine the brightest although I'm the darkest in shade. I need my numbers in place, I need my plaques on the wall and my cash in the case. You think I'm average, okay? In fact, you a rag and I don't give a damn what you say. I don't give a damn what you think. I can make a band in a blink. I don't need a man just to make me feel like more of a woman. I don't care about these niggas, I do. It's because I'm damn freaking put up like he dancing a mink. I just need a trip to a place where I can go, pack my bags and escape. I'm killing it, I don't lie, either than Corona, and the shit comes naturally, I don't try. I'm La Vida Loca, shoes are looking dope, and I got them on their necks like a bow tie. Hope people learning how to aim, cause I'm not a bitch's size, and you know up in the bullseye. I've been here demolishing the game while you bragging about the color of your weed, bitch, I'm too fly. Me with a hook, it just goes, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. That's simple, simple. And while you're letting it go, you're letting go of the stress, of the drama, all the negative energies that are trying to block this shit from moving forward. Let's get it. Hey, introducing the star. I just walked in the building and all I've been hearing is you made it far. I guess I'll be raising the bar. Same time I'm raising my daughter, don't know how I do it, I'll take the applause. Guess I was meant to go through this, I'm talking about winning and lacing these bars. I'm getting all the attention, I see them all in my mentions. I'm feeling highly infectious, I should have never been tested. I'm making solid impressions, I pray for all of my blessings. I heard they glow when they're so geriatric, I think they should go get their pension. I'm feeling like a bullseye, everybody gave me that V-line. To tell you the truth, I never really had cold B-side. Ever met a girl like me who's always looking pretty, but I never wear a wig line. All I ever wanted is to be, if I said anything different, I'd be lying through my teeth. I'm a boss queen, I'm so fierce. I be hearing y'all speak, I'm all ears. I just saw your boyfriend in my show, and he said he's a big fan and all fears. I think I'm a big fan, but who cares? I'ma get my feet in the sand with my kids. Ain't nobody messing around with my dough. Let it be my blood, sweat, and my tears. Let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Everybody, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. All that stress, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. All that drama. Poverty. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. All the motherfucking haters. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Hey, yes. Check out the shine of me, baby. Look at the star, I'm a lady. I see you all and I'm blessed, but I talk to God in the daily. I pray to God he gon' save me. I seen a lot of you shady, but I don't get time to get stressed, cause none of you ops gonna face me. I came out the streets of Johannesburg, hustle for everything I deserve. I faced defeat a couple times, but I got on my knees like it has to work. Only test me if you got the nerve. I'm in my lane, I don't have to swerve. I'm so creative, I got the verb. My purpose in life is to love and serve. So let it go, 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 let it go. Everybody. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, 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 let it go. Let it go, let it go, one more time. One more time. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Yeah, thank you, there you go. These are the moments I'm most grateful for, you know, the real authentic. Actually, can you guys give yourselves a round of applause as well? Anyway, last one for the road, let's go. This beat is dope in real life, yo! educate these fools on how to pave the freaking way. I've been doing this a minute now. I'm Oprah in this game. You can pay me my respect soon as I finish with these lames. Make my mama proud, that's the only thing that she alive. Take my daughter, I tell her, baby, don't you even die. I've been showing up, I've been going hard, I can hold it up. Got the crowd going right, cause it's about to go down. Funaban, funamin, funimali, ang funi, utiwe, uyashis, utilamin, ang funi, funaba, lomada, kokumoya, ang sisi, utias, uzanina, yumista, ang gule movie, funaban, ang funamin, funimali, ang funi, utiwe, uyashis, utilamin, ang funi, funaba, lomada, kokumoya, ang sisi, utias, uzanina. Straight up out the east, that's the belly of the beast. If we settling the scores, I've already won the hate. I got a couple souvenirs, they just packing in my purse. I make sure in every cipher, I get one for every verse. Wait a minute now, what they talking about? Who the hardest out? Nobody coming out. They're all hard up, now they're running out. All choked up on the number cloud. What you saying now? Ain't seen shit that you brag about. Ain't no hits that you setting out. You bugging out, topping out. It's a man's world, you better buckle up. Funaban, funamin, funimali, I'm fooling. Utiwe, uyashis,